Hey guys, Mr. Graves here. This is the next to last video for Unit 6. Um, we are going to be first looking at rotations 180 degrees. So, of course, I'm going to use a different color. When I rotate things 180 degrees, right? Simply, I'm just going to switch X and Y, and then I'm also going to change the signs of X and Y. So let me implement this, right? I'm going to have my old ordered pairs I'm dealing with of U, H, and F. So it looks like U is going to be a -4, -5. H is looks like it's -2, -3, and F is -1, -5. So I'm going to switch. I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to switch it. So I'm going to have my new points for U, H, and F. I'm going to switch them from 4-5 to 5-4, from 2-3 to 3-2, and from F from 1-5 to 5-1. Now, if you notice, all of these were negative, correct? We had -4-5, now goes from 5-4 because after I switched it, I had to change the sign of the X and the Y numbers. So that's why I went from -4, -5 to +5-4. I switched X and Y and I switched the signs. Did the same for H, from -2 to -3 to +3, +2. And F went from -1, -5 to +5, +1. So I'm going to graph my new points here. 5-4 is the new U, right? Then 3-2. This is the new H. And the last one is 5-1, which is the new F. Connect them. And I'm done. And rotated at 180 meant I basically, this was quadrant 1 and this is quadrant 3. So I'm going from 3 to 1, because if I do that, right, this is 90 degrees. Then another rotation gives me 180 degrees around the origin, and I'm good to go. Remember, this was my old shape, and this is my new shape. So those are the fun ones about that one. Let's go about going 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now, if I go counterclockwise, I'm going to circle this in a different color. Let me do red. So if I go counterclockwise is going to the left. So I'm turning 90 degrees left. Counterclockwise, not counterclock, right? If you're going counterclockwise, your minute hand is moving to the left. So if I'm going counterclockwise, I am going to switch X and Y. And Y, but I'm going to make the Y negative. Let's make X negative. I think I'm going to make X negative. But let me, again, take a quick look at my rule. I wrote all these down. Rotate 90 degrees. Counterclockwise. Yeah. So when I do that, I'm going to make the X number negative after I switch it up. Yep, I was right. So let's take a look at that, what we have. So we have the letters, we're dealing with S, B, and L. These are the old points right here. So S is going to be a 2, 2. B is going to be a 4, 5. And L is going to be 5, 0. I'm going to switch them up. I'm going to need S, a new L. Oops. Sorry about that. Should have been a B. L. There we go. So I'm going to switch them. Still 2, 2. But remember, I'm going to make the X negative. Switch 5, 4. From 4, 5 to 5, 4. But make that X negative. And I cannot make 0 negative or positive. So I'm going to switch that up. Now I'm going to plot those. Negative 2, 2. My new S. Then I'm going to do negative 5, positive 4. This is my new B. And my new L is going to be 0, 5. I connect them. And that makes perfect sense, right? I went ahead and moved it over to the left, 90 degrees. Lovely, right? So that's how we do that. Now I'm going to do one more, number 3, where I'm going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Okay? Now I'm not, I haven't done anything on going 270 degrees yet. I guess we could do that for number 1. First, let me just go ahead and do number 3. So when I go 90 degrees clockwise, it's going to be the opposite way. So if it's 90 degrees clockwise, I'm going to rotate 90 degrees to the right. So basically, the rule is I'm still going to switch X and Y. But this time, I'm going to make Y negative. So let's see what we're working with, huh? We have 4 points. Sorry about that. There we go. So the O, we have B, M, F, and H. Looks like B is at negative 5, 1. M is at negative 4, negative 2. F is at negative 1, positive 3. And H is at negative 1, negative 2. So now I have my new points. My new B, my new M, my new F, and my new H. Start by switching them. I'm going to make go from negative 5 to positive 5. My new M is still going to be negative 2, but I'm going to make that X positive 4. F is still going to be 3, but I'm going to go from negative 1 to positive 1. And H is going to be negative 2, comma, positive 1 as well. Now, I can plot everything now. 1, 5. My new B. Negative 2, 4. Here's my new M. 3, 1. There's my new F. And my new H is negative 2, positive 1. Connect them. Just like that, I have rotated it 90 degrees to the right. And I'm done. I'm gonna try to do 270, but it's okay. Do I even have? Let me look at something. I may have enough room to do 270 degrees. I just got to take one of these ones here. Come on, it's not salt. Okay, so I'm gonna switch that. So I'm gonna make the x negative. That's what it is. That's right. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna. No, that's not it. Okay, I guess I have to leave it at that. For now, we'll just stop here. You guys need my mute again for tutorials. Stuck? Please go ahead and send me a message. Unfortunately, I wish I could have found the one for 270 degrees. But it's fine. We'll stop here. You guys take care. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys Monday, okay? Bye.